Achoo! Hey guys, it's me, Gippy. I'm out here in nature because my doctor wants to find out why I have this lisp, which is crazy because when I was 2 years old, a dog bit half my tongue off. I figured that's the reason. I'm out in nature right now, far away from civilization. There are no people around at all. According to my calculations, this here might be a California sycamore. These trees are found all across California. They have a certain type of enzyme that if it gets on my skin, I could die. The reason why this tree here is so special is because there's graffiti on it. What does it say? What does it mean? Ow! 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 Oh, no. Oh, I shouldn't have put it in my mouth. No, I can't breathe. Does anybody have an EpiPen? Well, looky here, a Sonita cactus. They're so cool, and they grow along mountainsides all over California. I like them because people don't really touch them, kind of like me. Ow, my eye! Oh, shit, I shouldn't have touched my... Oh, goddamn it! Ow, ow, ow! Whoa, look at this! A Modelo in nature! I didn't even know they grew out here. Did you know Modelo uses malted barley to make their beer? And malted barley has traces of gluten in it. And if I even smell a little bit of gluten, I'll die. Huh? Oh! Oh!